Assalamu alaikum students of Montessori class. Today is the time for the drawing and activity book, page number 3. What you can see on the page, you can see a lot of squares. Now what are squares? Squares, a square is a box that has 4 equal sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the sides are equal. Okay, a box that has 4 equal sides. Okay, let me show you this is a square because all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, you can measure it also like this, okay, equal. This is a square. Okay, now what you have to do, just see that which color is this. This is red color. This is outline. You can take the red color and draw it like this, up down, up down, up down, up down. Again you will take the purple color and complete it, green color, blue color and orange color, and send this picture to me.